Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about sending URL encoded body data with the REST API in Bruno. We will be using this particular URL for the demo and we will be passing this URL encoded body data along with the request. I am going straight into the demo. I have already opened Bruno. For this demo, I am using the collection file upload. I am going to create a new request under this collection. I am giving the request name as URL encoded, changing the HTTP method to post and pasting the URL. Creating the request. Now in the body tab, you have to select the no body drop down. From that, you have to select form URL encoded from the form type. After that, you have to click on this add param option and just copy paste the data you want to pass along with the URL. So I am passing this key. Adding next param, foo2 and bar2. So this will be an encoded one. I am saving the request. Now I am going to hit this particular request. So we have got a 200 status code and we can see that in the response there is a form object. Inside that you can see the key value pairs which we have passed along with the body data. So this is a form URL encoded one. So this is how you can pass form URL encoded body data along with the REST API in Bruno. I hope that this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.